Jeez, yo, Win. How you doing, my bro?
Yes,
How you doing?
Man,
I know it's your birthday, bro.
I'm already gassed for it.
This is gonna be a special birthday haircut. Alright? This is gonna be a serious haircut.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? I wanna pull something out the back. Yeah, no. It's something that you haven't had before. I wanna introduce something to you. You've probably seen it online, here or there, but...
What do you mean? What's that?
I wanna give you the head unit.
Fam. You're gonna put that on my head?
Bro, I wanna make you look nice. I'm gonna make you look nice. It's your birthday, bro. Just
nah,
just get with it. Get your haircut. I'm gonna make it 4K HD everything. Yeah, it's gonna look mad. You wanna go for it? Come on, man. It's your 30th, man.
Say that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try. I got love for you, man. I know you're gonna hook me up.
Yeah, come on. Yes, Win. We're done, bro. Talk to me, man. How was it?
It's emotional, bro. Honestly.
Yeah?
As a new man, innit? Like, obviously I'm still the same me, but you get me? Yeah. Definitely, like, for a wicked birthday present, bro.
You know what? I know it's your birthday as well. I wanted to grab something for you, man.
So mad.
I know you said you're a Kavos man, so I got you a bottle of Kavos, you know? Come on.
Man, done my hair and then got my Kavos and that. Honestly, you know I'm gonna appreciate this as well, cause
come on.
this is it's my last birthday drink, fam. You get me?
Yeah,
After that, I'm getting healthy.
Come on.
So, trust me. But honestly, large up yourself, blood.
Yeah.
The thing is just, you get me?
Time to flex with it. You get me?
Nathan 5-star people, you get what I'm saying? Right now, we're changing shit. So, oh shit, sorry, pardon me. We're changing stuff. The game's changing. The game's changing. So, yeah, man. For all you man there that are receding, losing your hair, hope is not lost. So I was just checking myself a bit. But yeah, hope is not lost, man. At the end of the day, it's about feeling good in yourself. My boy Nathan's hooked me up. You know what I'm saying? That man's gonna be feeling good for my birthday, really and truthfully, man. I could smile. Look at me. Damn. Taking people's girls out there now, bro. And man's got fake hair. What you saying, cuz? But yeah, no, it's all love, man. It's been a while since I've seen myself like this, bro. Yeah? Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself.
Every time. Wicked, we're back. This is 2 weeks after the head unit has been put on. It's looking spectacular, I must say. We had good photos, we had good videos. But look, we're going to do another video. We want you all to make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you add our Instagram pages as well. My Instagram page is Nathan 5-star. That's 5-star. The shop Instagram page is Smith's H Studio. The location is 14 Empire Parade, N18 1AA, London. Yeah, Win, what's your Insta?
My Instagram is _U_I. get at me on the Insta if you've got any questions regarding the units themselves, how they feel. I'm gonna be giving you my day to day, how they've been treating me also. So yeah, man, stay tuned for that.
Yeah, man. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna tell you one more time because the next video we're gonna be doing is gonna be crazy. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Look onto the next video. We'll see you there. Nathan 5-star signing out. Smith's Hair Studio. Boom.